Welcome to the next part of the video. All of the following are correct about axillary vein thrombosis except C. Embolectomy is done in all cases. Question number 182. A 80-year-old patient present in the midline tumor in lower jaw involving the alveolar margin. He is added to loss. Treatment choice is segmental mandibulectomy. Next question. The most common cause of unilateral parotid swelling in 27-year-old male is B. Pylformic adenoma. Next question. A 45-year-old woman present with the hard and mobile lump in the breast. Next investigation is FNAC. Question number 185. A 45-year-old man present with the progressive cervical lymph node enlargement since 3 months. Most diagnostic investigation is say lymph node biopsy. Next question. All of the following true about the fibrolambular carcinoma of the liver except C. AFP level always greater than 1000. Next question. A child present with the expansible swelling on middle side of the nose, likely diagnosis is B. Meningococcal. Direct impact on the bone will produce use your own direction. 12-year-old girl complained the pain persisting for a leg several weeks with the low-grade fever. A radiography revealed mass of dysphagia region on the left femur overlaying on cortical erosion and soft tissue extension. Biopsy of the lesion saw numerous small round cell reach in pus positive disease sensitive granules. The most likely histological diagnosis is C. Ewing carcinoma. The next question. Whiplash injury is caused due to use no direction. The operative produce known as microfracture is done for the osteochondral defect of femur. Next question. A 31-year-old old male with the nephrotic syndrome complained the pain with the right hip joint 2-month duration. The movement at the hip are free and put painful terminally. Most likely diagnosis is D. Pathological fracture of femoral neck. The most common affected component of lateral collateral ligament complex in ankle sprain is anterior component. The stability of ankle joint is maintained by all the following except plantar calnovicular spring ligament. Next question. You have treated with a simple and undisplaced fracture of the shaft right tibia with a 9-year girl with the above knee plaster cast present. Want to know the prognosis of union of the fracture limb which was affected by the polymyelitis 4 years ago. What is the best possible of advice will be often to the present? See, fracture will unite normally. Question number 196. Paul Walter had the fall during pole vaulting, had paralysis of the arm. Which of the following investigation give the best recovery prognosis? Is a electromyography. Question number 197. In a patient with a history of burning pain, localize the plantar except the foot. The difference plantar except the foot of the differential diagnosis must be include C. Tarsal tunnel syndrome. Question number 198. The elder woman was admitted with the fracture of neck for the right femur, which failed with unite the examination of avascular necrosis with the head of femur was noted. The condition would be resulted most probably from the damage to the retinicular branches of circumflex femoral artery. Then next question. A 44-year-old man present with the acute onset of back radiating lower limb examination of revealed of SLRT lesser than 40 degree, right side weakness of external hallucis longus on the right side, sensor loss of the first wave, space of the right foot, bricks, knee jerk. Which of the following is most likely to diagnosis is A. Prolapse intravertebral disc L4 L5. Question number 200. Woman with a 45 known cause of Pemphigus vulgaris. The regular treatment with the controlled primary disease present with the pain of right hip knee examination revealed on no limb length disparity, but the patient has tendency to scar, tingling, and limitation of adduction. The internal rotation of the right hip joint compared to the other side. The most probable diagnosis is B. A vascular necrosis of femoral head. Next question. A 24-year-old male know the epileptic present with the following seizure with the pain of right shoulder region. Examination revealed that the right upper limb was conduct the internally rotate is the movement would be performed. Which of the following most likely diagnosis is A. Posterior dislocation of the shoulder. A 30-year-old male underwent the excision of right radial head. The following surgery of the patient developed inability to extend the finger and thumb with the right hand. He did not have the sensory difficulty. Which of the following most likely causes A. Injury to the posterior intersys nerve? Next question. 10-year-old boy presenting with the cubitus varus deformity of the history of trauma 3 months back. On the clinical examination have preserved 3 bony point relationship of the elbow. The most probable diagnosis is D. Malunited supracondylar fracture of humor. Next question. A 33-year-old man present with the slow prognosis swelling in the middle 1/3 has the right tibia. X-ray examination revealed multiple sharply demarcated radiolent lesions separated by the area of dense and sclerotic bone. Microscopic examination and the biopsy specimen revealed the island of the epithelial cell of fibrous stoma. Which of the following most probable diagnosis is A. Adenotoma.